Hey, Learning Lovebirds, today is Monday, May 18th, and it is time for sound work. Today we are going to start with our rhyme. Our rhyme is ush, so thinking of words that end in ush. Blush, mush, brush, crush, rush. See if you can think of any more. All right, we're going to do our beginning sounds. I'm going to say the word, you're going to say the word, and then we'll say the first sound together. You ready? Thousand, thousand. Chapter, chapter. Ch. Shovel, shovel. Sh. That, that. Thirsty, thirsty. Chicken, chicken. Ch. All right, now I'm going to say some sounds and we're going to blend them together. Today I'm going to give you more sounds. So we have been doing just 3 sounds and blending them together. Today I'm going to give you 4 sounds. So you really have to be thinking. Okay, here we go. Ready? Fast, fast. Chimes, chimes. Shade, shade. Chest, chest. Bump, bump. Shells, shells. Kind, kind. They. That was a short one. Thud, thud. And sand. I wish I was playing in the sand right now. All right. Now, this time we're going to go back. If you think way back when we started doing our sound work, we started doing ending sounds and we punched that last sound. So for instance, if I said dish, you would say dish and then we go dish, because that's the last sound. We're punching out that last sound. Okay, here we go. Ready? Smooth, smooth, smooth. Last sound is good. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Last sound, ch, ch, ch. North, north, north. Last sound, crash, crash, crash. Last sound, sh. Worth, worth, worth. Last sound, reach, reach, reach. Last sound, ch, ch, ch. Okay, here we go. We're going to break apart our sounds today. Get your choppers out. We might have more than 3 sounds. You have to really listen for each individual sound. Ready? Here we go. Camp, camp. Camp. Farm, farm. Arm. Gasp, gasp. Gasp. Sheep, sheep. Sheep. Hitch, hitch. Itch. Field, field. Field. Shook, shook. Shook. Wind, wind. Wind. Fish, fish. Fish. This, this. Is. Nice job. Okay, I'm going to give you the ending, the rhyme. We're going to add an onset or beginning. We're going to find out what the word is. Are you ready? Eep, eep, add sh, sheep. Air, air, add ch, chair. Under, under, add th, thunder. Eat, eat, add ch, cheat. Ache, ache, add sh, shake. Nice job. Now I'm going to give you a word. We're going to take that onset or beginning sound off. Here we go. Ready? Chase, chase without ch is ace. Shape, shape without sh is ape. Cheese, cheese without ch is ease. Theme, theme without th is eam. Cheer, cheer without ch is ear. All right, now we're going to change one word to another. Ready? Chick, chick, change ch to thick. Share, share, change sh to there. Chin, chin, change ch to thin. Shop, shop, change sh to chop. Chore, chore, change ch to shore. Nice job. Those were a little bit hard today. All right, now we're going to do our letters and sounds. Ready? Here we go. Okay. Letter R, sound R. Letter G, sound G, G, G. Second sound J, J, J. Letter F, sound F. Letter N, sound N. Letters SH, sound sh. Letter U, sound Second sound U. Letter J, sound J, J, J. Letters CH, sound ch, ch, ch. Letter S, sound S. Letter X, sound X. The beginning of a word, I might say Z. Letter I, sound I. Second sound I. Letter Z, sound Z. Letter A, sound A. Second sound A. Letter V, sound V. Letter H, sound H. Letter B, sound B. Letter W, sound W. Letter L, sound L. Letters TH, sound Th. Letter M, sound M. Letter Q, sound qu. Letter O, sound ah. Second sound O. Letter K, sound k. Letter Y, sound y. Can also say E or I. Letter D, sound d. Letters WH, sound w. Letter P, sound p. Letter E, sound eh. Second sound E. Letter T, sound t. Letter C, sound k. Second sound S. Okay, we have a new nursery rhyme today. You might know this if you go outside at night and see all the stars in the sky. This one's called Starlight, Star Bright. Okay, here we go. I lost my pointer. So I'm just going to use my marker. Okay, you ready? Here's our title. Starlight, Star Bright. We're going to learn the first two lines of our poem today, okay? And if you've printed out your poem, you can go ahead and point to the words as we read. Ready? Starlight, star bright, the first star I see tonight. Okay, let's go ahead and read that again. You ready? Starlight, star bright. Starlight, star bright, the first star I see tonight. And I see a couple sight words in here that you may know. So I'm going to point to a word, and I want you to think in your head what that word is. Okay, ready? You might know this sight word. This is the word the. All right, here comes another one. You might also know that word. That's the word see. And you could try a strategy if you didn't know that word. You could try saying the sounds and blending them together. S, se. Well, we know that's not a word. But we do know that E is a vowel, so that we could try saying the long E sound. And if you remember that part, that E makes that long E sound. Are you ready? S, E, C. There's the word see. All right, let's read it one more time for today. Starlight, star bright. Ready? Read. Starlight, Star bright, the first star I see tonight. Nice job today. I will see you tomorrow, kindergarten.